So this video is going to go through question 2 of the 2022 paper. So it tells us for part A, the table below shows a number of solids. Using a tick, indicate the correct name for each solid shown. So the first one there, we're looking at a cylinder. Second one there, we're looking at a cone. Third one there, we're looking at a pyramid. And the last one then, we're looking at a hemisphere. For part B, as shown on the right is a sphere. Using a tick, indicate whether each of these statements is true or false. In elevation, a sphere appears a circle. We know that's true. In plan, a sphere appears a circle. Once again, we know that's true. In every view you look at a sphere, you're always going to see a circle. And for the last one then, in an isometric view, a sphere appears as an ellipse. That's false. No matter what way you look at a sphere, you're always going to see a circle. Then for part C, shown on the right is a cylinder which has been created by revolving a rectangle about an axis. So you can see there, it's a rectangle. There's, you imagine, like a hinge point there, and it's being rotated around and around and around, producing a cylinder. For part 1, they want you to complete a freehand sketch of a three-dimensional solid created when each shape below is revolved around a given axis. So you can see we have our axis here, and it's based on a triangle. If we keep rotating that triangle around and around, we're going to produce a cone. So first all I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch out my circle for the base. So I'm going to take that distance there and roughly take it out this side here, and then also I'm going to do the exact same, go in the opposite direction. I'm going to take that distance roughly out here and roughly out there. And then all I want to try and do now is draw a circle as best I can in my plan view. And then for my top, I want to take a line out roughly at a tangent edge, and then draw my outline in heavy of what my cone going to look like when rotated around. Same with the bottle below. You can see that outline there. When that's rotated around, it's going to produce that bottle shape. So I'm going to do the exact same thing again with my plan, with my base. I'm going to take that distance roughly out here, and out here. As best I can, I'll draw sketch of a circle there, and then it's going to be the exact same above. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my side up here. You can see I'm taking it parallel to the edge, and I'm going to mimic this kind of shape here, like that. Take my line in an angle, same distance roughly away from there. Repeat the same process again. Take it up, and then this time I'm going to do the same thing up here. I'm going to take that rough distance out to there, out to there, and out to there, and draw in what my circle would look like in plan, in 3D, and then go heavy with the outline again. That's your bottle drawn in there. After that then, it says apply appropriate shading or rendering to each sketch to achieve a 3D effect. So I can just use colours here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, from the top point, go all the way down with lines like this. I can do, if I want, then I can maybe say it's a bit darker on this side here to make it look as if there's a shadow on it. And I can do the exact same with the bottle here. But I'm going to circular pattern for the top, lines down for the side, have my edges going out like that there. Take my lines down here, and then make it look as if there's a shadow on this side here, going up like that there. And that then completes question 2. So hopefully that video helps anybody who's been stuck on any of those parts there.